Alright, before this video starts, I would like to give an explanation of what happened during this train versus vehicle incident. So in the first clip, you're going to see a northbound Canadian National grain train at Centralia, Illinois. Second clip will show that northbound train meeting a southbound train on the double main Canadian National tracks here in Centralia. The northbound train clears the crossing that I'm at, which is Calumet Street here in Centralia. And you can see the southbound train approaching. The railroad crossing gates stay down because that southbound train is still in the block to basically trigger the crossing gates. So they stay down for safety. And the second driver in line turned up his music very loud to where you couldn't hear anything around him, let alone being in the vehicle. And he thinks it's clear to go across, and he steps on it around the gate, and as soon as that moment hits, boom, the southbound train hits the back of his vehicle. And that southbound train was going about, I would say, 30 to 40 miles per hour. But that's the scenario here, and after that I will show the vehicle being towed off in aftermath of the southbound train departing. So that is the explanation of what happened. They're recording it now.
Yeah, just hit a car here at milepost 253.1 crossing through Centralia.
Right there.